Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for GRCA264. This is a 1994 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham with an LT1. As you can see for the miles, this is a very clean car. Especially for Ohio. We do tend to get a little bit more rust up here. As you can see, this vehicle does have some miles. It's got 183,888 miles, but everything does test and work. See, it does go into gear. We were unable to drive this for a long distance, but it does shift into gear, it does drive around, does have reverse. And we are going to be selling this as a dropout, but obviously it's going to be a more economical dropout due to the mileage. But she does run very nice, and I would not be afraid of this mileage at all. Well, thanks again for watching. This has been J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for GRCA264. Thank you. Have a nice day.